What's going on, everybody? We back again with another one, SS Family. Today, we're going to take a trip out to PC's Customs out there in Milwaukee and just kind of get filled in on what's going on with getting the Monte Carlo into the shop. I got an 86 Monte Carlo. Y'all already know if y'all subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get it in to them because I see how they be wetting shit up, and that's the shop I decided to go with. I already gave them a deposit already, so it's been a few months, and I ain't really heard from him. We've been messaging back and forth a little bit, but I know he a busy guy, so I want to shoot out there, go holler at him, just kind of get filled in on what's going on, and hopefully he able to squeeze me in before the year end, and that way I can get my shit out before next summer, and I could be out here, so, but I still got a lot to do. I'm sitting in it right now. I still got to do the interior, and it definitely gonna need the body work that he say. And I just see like other guys' cars that he done painted, he done wet the shit up, so I don't want to go nowhere else but to him. So we gonna shoot out here now and just go holler at him. Like I said, get filled in on what's going on, and shit, we'll just go from there. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know, man. I just ain't heard from y'all. It's like that was August, what, 23rd or 28th?
Yeah. I'm about to tell you, on this time, fall time, we're gonna start calling people back off.
Okay. So, and then I could bring it back in.
Huh?
You said then I could bring it back in?
What do you mean bring it back in?
Bring the car.
Yeah, well, as soon as I call you, we'll give you a day. Hey, drop it off this time, this day, and then.
Okay.
You bring the car in and the rest of the deposit in and.
Okay.
We get it knocked out.
Well, how much I got?
We got you got pictures of the car?
Yeah. Shit.
You usually take 75% deposit, and then the balance on the car is ready. The 3,000 is gonna add up whatever.
So it's 75% of the 14.
Yeah. The reason why, once we get done with the car, I don't want the car sitting here,
No, I want the car finished because I want it out by next summer. But that's like, at the same time, I wasn't trying to rush you because I understand how this shit go.
Old school, you can't rush old schools.
Nah, I can't rush it. I'm a businessman myself.
You can't rush it. A new school is just take them apart, sand them down.
Yeah.
Scuff them down, paint.
Yeah.
Out of the way.
Let me see. I think, this is it right here. It was... You can just go through the picture or whatever. What?
Okay, there's a lot of people to rush. Okay.
Yeah, and I think the other guy is your brother, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he the one that looked at it. I had brought it on the tow truck.
Oh, okay.
And I think I was talking to you on the phone when you said lead a lock in.
Okay, yeah.
So that was I just ain't heard back. I know, like I said, I know you're busy, man, but
yeah, I remember the car. My son showed me the pictures. But yeah, he said you received. Right?
Yeah. I took a picture of it. I didn't get an actual paper copy, but he said y'all printer was down or something.
No, we don't usually print them. Just better if we'll take a picture.
Okay. So what you think of, like, what, maybe December or like when you think?
Hopefully it's gonna be after the holiday.
Okay.
That's gonna be because like I said, I'm almost done with whatever I got going on, and I got 3 cars that I'm finishing up right now.
All right, because when I talked to you on the phone, you told me you had 2, and this was back then.
Yeah, but they haven't left.
You said, they haven't. Okay.
If I get insurance card today, everything that I'm doing stops. Why? Because that's how we make money. Insurance cars.
Okay, yes, sir.
Insurance car. I got one right now, Mercedes, and that's 15 grand. So
yeah, I understand.
Whatever's in here.
Yeah.
I don't care who it is, CJ, YouTube, or anybody.
Yeah. And that's what I was thinking too. I was like, I know they CJ and them, they bigger.
You gotta stop. Because why? Because we make money in insurance.
On insurance car.
Yeah, insurance car make money. Let's say right now, I don't know. Maybe next week, I don't know what shows up. So I gotta stop on him because why? Because how do we make money? So everything like all the major work, they gotta stop at least for a week or a couple of days or whatever we finish with insurance, because that's how we make money. That's how we stay, on.
Stay in business.
Cars like this, we don't make money. Why? Because it's gonna be here for so long.
Yeah, it takes too long.
14 grand.
I know.
It's not money, fam. For us,
No, I know.
For us to keep the lights on and all that stuff.
I done had lost it. I know how shit goes. I know how shit goes. Yeah.
That's why I tell everybody, don't expect it's gonna be done overnight. Why?
I
Because
understand. Well, yeah, it was just
the way the shop runs, the way we make money, we don't make money on old schools like this.
Understand.
We pretty much money on new cars. Send them down, paint them, get out of the way. Why? It takes 3-4 weeks to get them done.
No, I understand. It just was like it's been about 3 months, and I'm like, I ain't heard shit. So
I got locked in deposits since 5 months ago.
Okay,
right? That's how I do them. Right now, I don't got no more spaces. So once those five spots filled up, I think you were pretty much one of the last ones, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
That I had those spots open. I had 2. By the time I think I had 2 of them open. Once those filled in, I ain't taking no more money until next summer. You know, like the spots, you know.
All right, so
people think when I do locking spots, I'm good for next month. No.
Yeah, well, I figured
it work like that. I gotta figure what I got going on, and then those 5 spots that I got already reserved, then they start coming in.
Okay.
When I get done with those 5 projects, then I get 5 more. You know what I'm saying? But in between those jobs, I got insurance claims. Mm-hmm. I got new cars that that easy, spray them, scuff and paint. Why? Because that's how we stay on. But like I say, a car like this, if I take one car like this and sit on it for the whole winter, we don't make money.
Yeah, it's only 14,000.
Yeah, but you don't make money because we're gonna be stuck on the car, working on the car 24/7. So we still not making money to keep the lights on and shit like that. But I'm pretty sure you say you got business, you should know.
Yeah, I said.
But that's how a lot of these bodywork stuff shit work. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, all right. Well,
but shit, we get it. So the first thing we gotta do metalwork.
So I
metalwork is gonna take a couple months.
I dropped 3. We had 14. You said 75%. So what's that?
75%. I mean, like I say, half is 7.
Okay.
Half is 7. So we're talking about maybe 8, 9. You know what I'm saying?
All right. So around and then you said after the holiday, after what, Christmas, or you said?
It might be before that.
All right.
Okay. What I got is almost done.
All right. Cool.
Yeah, I just got them. They're already painted. All I gotta do is put them back together, wet sand buff. So that's what I got going on right now.
All right, cool. Well, I'm gonna let you get back to work, man.
Like I said, with the winter, we don't do that much painting anyway. We do a lot of body work. That's why we always take all the projects on this time. Right. When it's cold, what we do is body work, metal work. Mm-hmm. Once the spring hits, we start painting. So that's why we're knocking them out back to back. So by springtime, we got like 4 or 5 cars ready for paint. All right. And then we knock them out because 1 week, you only take 1 week just to paint it.
Yeah, it don't take no time.
And then let it sit.
Body work.
Yeah. Let it sit. Let it sit for at least another week. Then we're sanding above it. All right. But hey, nice to meet you, though. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
All right. If I gotta contact you, I'll hit you on the Facebook, bro.
Hey, let me know, man. 414. When you record, 414-466-2250. If you don't call me, leave a message. I mean, if the business is 100%, then we'll call back. If you're gonna be calling, for window shopping, hey, how much for this? Hey, how much?
Nah, man, I ain't gonna waste.
We ain't got time for that. You know what I'm saying? So just keep in mind,
All right, I appreciate it.
For sure, I got you, man. Right. But like I said, project cars like that, I usually do with a winner. Why? Because it's better for us and shit like that.
Yeah, I understand.
And all the metal work. If you bring my car like that on the summer, like shit, ain't gonna happen, bro.
Yeah, I already know.
Summer everybody want their newer car paint. Hey man, how much for this? Knock it out, boo.
Yeah.
And a new car, I mean, it's like 10 G's, man. And we knock that shit out maybe 4 or 6 weeks, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
It's a newer car. It's easy. Just knock it out.
I understand. Hey, I'm patient, man, but hey, we gotta come on with it. I understand that too. So.
Yeah. You got wheels for that?
Not yet. Not yet. I don't know if I'm going 4G autos or RT. I don't know. You got something for it?
Yeah, let me know if I'm I think my guy got 2 sets. They're brand new. 24 Forges with a big.
I had to get the frame notch though, right? They 24. They 24.
Huh?
They 24.
Yeah, anything 24, you gotta get the frame notch. Especially on the front when you turn. We do that.
We'll talk. We'll talk about it.
Like I said, we do that too on the trunk. On the turn, we do that too.
Oh, okay.
Frame notch on the front.
Yeah, I got my whole because I got the whole suspension done already and shit, and I got coil levels in the front, but I might need them in the back. So
yeah, you're always gonna need some.
Yeah. So
if you do anything bigger than 22.
We'll work it out. We'll get there. I'm gonna let you get back to work, bro.
All right, man. No problem. Appreciate it, bro. Take care, guys.
All right, my
boy.
boy.
Nice to meet you, fam.
Don't drop it. That motherfucker.
All right, so yeah, we just hollered at PC, man. We back around the 86 Monte Carlo SS, and I just really want to just give y'all a clear view on how the body look before I actually get it done. So, yeah, she got battle scars. She definitely got rust creeping in all the wrong places. And, but you know what? That's exactly what makes this project so exciting, because while some might look at it and think it's a heap of trouble, I see a lot of potential in it. And here's the truth, with these older cars, they not for everybody. Modern cars are all about convenience. They got the plastic parts, the quick fixes, plug and play everything. But the Monte Carlo, this is a whole different ball game. It's real steel, real curves, real craftsmanship is what it's gonna take to get it back together. So every flaw you see right now is just a reminder of what these cars are built from and what they can become. And that's why I decided to take it to PC. These guys, they get it. They not just about slapping on paint, calling it a day. They know what it takes to make a car like this shine again. They ain't afraid to put the work in. It's going to take time, and trust me, I got a lot of patience in the world for this one. When this Monte Carlo is done, it's not just going to turn heads. I'm trying to set a new standard now. Am I saying it's cheap? Nah, not by no means, but I already got a heavy tab in it. So the tab going to continue to get heavier, and it is what it is. I got to get the car done. It's got to be to my standard, to my liking. You never really finish with these old schools anyway. You're going to be doing more and more. Like, if I could start over, could I have started with a cleaner shell? Absolutely, but it's too late now. We got the motor in. We got the LS in. We got the whole suspension done. Now it's time to get that paint on there and get my shoes on, get them 24s, 26s, whatever I decide to go with, and just have it come out looking right. So we're going to stick to the plan. Y'all stick with me as I tackle the build. Drop a comment below. Let me know what color y'all think I should go with. Not just the color. Let me know what kind of paint. Should I go candy paint? Should I go pearl? Let me know. I got a few ideas already, but I want to hear y'all's. And don't forget, I need y'all to like, subscribe, and share this video. This ain't just a restoration. I'm trying to turn this into a transformation. This boy need a whole makeover. But it is what it is. It's going to come together. And I'm going to keep y'all updated on the work progress. So just stay tuned for the next steps. She coming back to life. I'm coming back to dominate. I'm going to keep building. I'm going to keep dreaming. Peace. I'll see y'all on the next one.